Good evening, guys. Let's get started with this analysis on USD yen. And I'm conducting an analysis to establish where the price is heading in a medium term. Also, formalizing a trading plan for the next week. We had a very profitable week last week. If you've been following my analysis on TradingView, you could see that we've called in Euro Yen on Friday. This short trade, it went nearly 200, more than 200, literally 200 pips. Nicely. There was an analysis conducted on US 30, which is one of my best pairs, and the price has gone nicely. Rejected, it bounced, it rejected, went down, retraces, aggressive rejection from 78.6, continuation downside. Further, we have shared the analysis. I've shared the analysis on GBP AUD. So the trading plan was for the price to retrace first before it goes higher, and you'd see how precisely the price has retraced in the buy zone, and then it went up nearly 134 pips. And USD CAD, one of the most challenging analysis last week. Bias was that the price will rise from this. You got A and B for ABCD formation there, and that's what the price did. Price did stay in range for a couple of days. That was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. The price picked the momentum and went higher for more than 100 pips. So a very profitable week, and that's what I'd say. Follow my analysis. Follow the charts that I share. Try to understand those charts. Try to make sense out of those charts. And if you've got any questions, by all means, you can always ask me. Now, let's get started. USD yen. I'm going to conduct a breakdown analysis on this and try to establish where the market is heading in a medium term, and also our trading plan for this week. Weekly chart. Here we are. You could see that price has been a low high formation, a low formation, another low high formation, another low formation, and price is making another lower high formation. I am expecting the price, but I'll be expecting the price to reject from here and go down. That's what my expectation is on the higher time frames. Now, that's what my expectation is. You could see there was a moving average cross at 112.50. Price went down sharply from a low formation, and since price has been retracing higher. The 2 weeks ago, you've got an inside bar. It shows sellers have entered the market. Last week was shooting star formation, and this week we had a nice rejection and engulfing candlesticks. That's what we can see. Now, let's try to shape it up by marking some significant levels. Now, as you can see, the price has rejected and tested this area to the teeth, and I am expecting the price to go to the downside. That's what my expectation is. Now, this is also a significant area, which I'll be discussing in a second, but let's mark some important levels. And here, this is an important demand level. That's what I could see. So this could be our first target of the price. So last week, if you'd see here, shooting star formation, price rejected from this area. The week before, you've got an engulfing candlestick. Sellers did enter the market, and it was pretty easy. As you could see, 3-pin formation, which is a reversal, famous reversal formation pattern, and the price melted almost more than 100 and precisely 160 pips. Now, this was an important area of rejection, actually. And why is it? Let's apply Fibonacci's and try understand this. 61.8 Fibonacci, as you can see, golden ratio. That's where the price start rejecting a good opportunity. It was a good trading opportunity, and then there's more to it. You could see this is a bearish flag formation. Let me make it clear. Bearish flag formation there. That's the pole, and that's the length. So that is, we have a breakout of this chart pattern, so it means it has been activated. We already had a breakout. I'm expecting the price to retrace a little and continue, and a first target will be at these levels at around 108. But yes, the next target, the chart pattern itself, that its target is the length of this pole here, which will be at around 105. So it will be very interesting to see how the price formulate this move. It seems to me a very good trading opportunity. In a medium run, you'll be expecting the price to go down, and I would say if the price forms this rally at every low high formation, it would be your opportunity to take advantage of it. So that's where we are. I'm going to break it down further a little so that we can establish a trading plan for the next week. But these sort of sellers in momentum, my personal advice is that you should only be looking for selling opportunities. Yes, I am expecting the price to retrace first. Retrace. It might be a retracement of 30 pips, 35, 50 pips before the price goes down. That's the first target. Now, if you ask me a question, in which direction should I be trading? Should I be taking a retracement trade, or should I be focusing on the main move? Seeing the sellers in the market, which with an engulfing candlestick, the shooting star before, my personal preference will be that I'll be looking for the selling trading opportunities on this. Wait for the price to form a low high formation. If it does, get into the trade and sell it. Let's go on to the daily charts. Daily chart movement is very nice. As you can see, price has been in a nice bullish price action. We had a nice break of market structure there. Nice break of market structure with a huge engulfing candlestick. That was Thursday, and then Friday, another rally to the downside. Moving average acting as the resistance now, which is showing us the momentum to the downside. And you can always add these confluences of trend line. So my expectation is, that's what my expectation is, price to retrace and go down. That's what our trading plan is for this week. I would suggest not to focus on this bullish move, which is retracement here, because of the strength of the sellers. It might be a very short-lived trade move, and it's very difficult for you to switch from one direction to another. And so I'd rather suggest that focus on this major move to the downside. That's what my expectation is, and I would advise to wait for the price, let the price form the low high formation. When it does, get into the trade. It's a good trading opportunity and a very good trading setup. So that is it for USD yen for this week. This week, well, I'm expecting the price to go down. It is a decent trading opportunity which can give you another 250 pips. It will be and is pretty much a medium-term analysis. I'm not expecting the price maybe if it's an aggressive rally, then the price just carries on to the downside. But normally this is a price target, so I would be expecting the price to achieve within at least 2 weeks' time. A good trading opportunity. Look for the price action on low high formations. When it presented, take advantage. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Use this video in line with your trading strategies, the way you trade, your analysis, and try to establish the agreement between my analysis and yours. And it is a great learning opportunity for you all. Thank you.